A hydrocarbon, that is combination of chemical combination of carbon and the hydrogen, undergoes combustion, and in that combustion 11 equivalents of oxygen is consumed. As a result of combustion, generally hydrocarbons produces carbon dioxide as well as water. In this case also it produces 4 equivalents of water, and you are asked to calculate the molecular formula of the hydrocarbon. If I write the reaction related definition, that is hydrocarbon is allowed to react with the oxygen. This reaction is known as combustion reaction. As a result of this reaction, it is converted to carbon dioxide plus water, followed by some amount of energy will be liberated because it is an exothermic reaction. In this, as far the given information is concerned, hydrocarbon is allowed to react with 11 equivalents of oxygen. For 1 gram molecular weight of hydrocarbon requires, that is 1 equivalent of hydrocarbon requires 1 mole of hydrocarbon requires 11 moles of oxygen. As a result, it is producing some amount of carbon dioxide, and the amount of water produced is 4 equivalents. 4 equivalents implies what? 4 water molecules are produced. From this primary information, we have to cross calculate the molecular formula of the hydrocarbon. If we go for the molecular formula of the hydrocarbon, here out of 11 water molecules, some amount of this oxygen, 11 oxygen molecules, some amount of oxygen is converted to water molecule, and the amount of water formed is 4 water molecules. 4 water molecules implies amount of oxygen will becomes equal to 2 O2. So out of this 11 O2, 2 O2 is present in the form of 4 water molecules. Hence, if I subtract this particular 2 O2s from this 11 O2, the net amount of O2 that is combined with the carbon to form the carbon dioxide will becomes equal to 9. This 11 I am writing it as what? 11 as written as 9 plus 2. 9 is reacted with respect to carbon, that is reacted with respect to carbon, whereas 2 is reacted with respect to hydrogen. 2 is reacted with respect to hydrogen. So therefore here the carbon combines with the oxygen. Every one carbon combines with 1 equivalent of oxygen, and it is converted to 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. So here 9 water molecules are consumed. In this purpose implies the number of carbon atoms present in the hydrocarbon are 9. Whereas here every water molecule is consisting 2 hydrogens followed by 1 oxygen, whereas here 4 oxygen atoms are there. 4 oxygen atoms requires 8 hydrogens, because the complete source of hydrogen in the formation of water molecule comes from the hydrocarbon, because oxygen is not having any kind of hydrogen. Whatever water is formed, water related total hydrogen comes from the hydrocarbon itself. Hence the total quantity of hydrogen present in this is 8. Hence the molecular formula of the hydrocarbon becomes C9H8. If the molecular formula of the hydrocarbon is C9H8, then only it combines with 11 molecules of 11 equivalents of oxygen. As a result, it is converted as 9 CO2 followed by what? 4 water molecules. If this is the reaction related products, then the corresponding formula of the starting material hydrocarbon becomes C9 followed by H8.